Thanks, Roma. Thank you, Rosalind, Just Barbara, and everyone. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that like everyone and see you again tonight or afternoon or tonight. And thank you all. I actually am